Okay, we're gonna try this one. Thank you so much, my love, for this sweet surprise. I've been craving for this sushi. This is from mysushi.ph. Let's try this. It's so beautiful. Oh my god! Thank you, love. Oh, meron ditong lemon, radish, and then yung wasabi. Meron kasamang soy sauce. Ang tagal ko nag-crave dito. Okay. Here's the soy sauce. Let's put some wasabi. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's try this. Oh my god, kinikilig ako! Ito naman try natin. I think this one is also salmon, pero ano, luto siya. Kaya niya magpakuha. Tinudod na nga natin. So, ayan siya. Lalagyan na yung wasabi eh. Ayan. Let's try this. I think this one is tuna. Then put some wasabi. Gonna show you guys. Sarap! Okay, soy sauce. Ooh. Feeling ko ito avocado. So, we're gonna try another one. Mayroon siyang, ano naman niya? Hindi ko alam. May mayo sa gitna and then parang onion leeks. Ano ba? Radish. Sarap. Meron ditong ano, shrimp. Hindi ko siya makakain because I'm allergic. Ito naman yung may itlog. Another one of this. Talaga yung gusto ko, yung salmon. Salmon. Okay. Thank you, love. Love you.